This is now our 3rd year using this Ego lawnmower. Absolutely fantastic purchase. A little bit worried when we first bought it because of that initial investment, but honestly, I am so glad we did. It has been so worth it. I couldn't believe this was a battery-powered mower with just how powerful it actually is. But also, by the way, those batteries are still going just as strong, even in the 3rd year. And that's obviously with them being left over winter as well. So Ego have definitely designed the batteries to last with these mowers. But of course, the main advantage is that the cost for running this mower is so much cheaper than running a gas-powered equivalent. That said, one thing I would say is that the brushless motors here mean that there is very little maintenance, in fact, virtually none, other than cleaning the underdeck when it gets bunged up with grass. This thing is so easy to maintain. Again, with a gas mower, you have a lot of extra work to do to keep that running smoothly. Obviously, this is push start, so completely hassle-free and self-propelled too. And yeah, hopefully, this will give you a little bit of motivation and actually make mowing the lawn a fun experience rather than the chore that it has been for so long.